Hi everyone, I am Paul Holder from Infinity Learning. On August the 21st and 22nd, I'll be running a training workshop in conjunction with the Gibraltar Federation of Small Business called Hiring for Success, Behavioral Interviewing Techniques. Now this workshop concentrates on the pre-interview preparation. It looks at developing questions and their value, the interview techniques that get specific behavioral-based examples of past performance and strategies that follow through on this process. This workshop takes the behavioral interview even further with a discussion of communication techniques and the use of other types of interview type questions. How will you benefit from attending this course? Well, some of the things we're going to be talking about and looking at are recognizing the cost incurred for your company when a wrong decision is made to hire someone. We're going to be looking at how you can develop a fair and consistent interviewing process for selecting employees. So your interviewing process is basically consistent all the way through. Whichever employee you interview, your structure will be consistent. It will be robust. It will be opened up for scrutiny by myself, and it should be able to withstand that type of scrutiny. We'll also be looking at how you can prepare better job advertisements and use a variety of different markets to advertise your positions. Be able to develop a job analysis and position profile. So what we're talking about is a job spec and a person spec. Use traditional behavioral achievement orientated, holistic and situational interview questions. I know it sounds like a mouthful, but different types of interview structural questioning techniques. How good are they? The pros and the cons. Each of them have good things and they also have bad things. We'll have a look at them and be able for you to come away with a much stronger in-depth form of questions to ask your prospective candidates. Enhanced communication skills that are essential for a skilled recruiter. Effectively interviewing difficult applicants. So we've all had situations where you have somebody in front of you who potentially could do the job, but they're very, very difficult to interview. You're asking open questions, but they're giving you literally one-word answers. How do you open up that person potentially? We'll have a look at that. We'll also be looking and talking about checking references more effectively. How you can actually do that. We'll have a look at that. Understand the basic employment laws, particularly in Gibraltar, that can affect the hiring process, what you can do and what you can't do. So we'll have a look at that. We'll get some discussion around that. So we literally come away with really understanding what you can and what you can't do, and what really is best demonstrated practice, not only in Gibraltar, but outside of Gibraltar as well. This workshop is 4 hours in duration, so we're starting at 9 and finishing promptly at 1 o'clock. Really, the people who should be attending this workshop are people who currently interview for your organization or who will be interviewing for your organizations in the not too distant future. Managers, team leaders, anyone who gets involved in the recruitment process either currently or will be doing this at a future date. If you fall into any of those categories, then you simply need to attend this course. This is a must-attend course for you. Once again, this course will be running on August the 21st or August the 22nd. It's the same course over 2 days. So if you come on the Wednesday, you don't need to come on the Thursday, and vice versa. The address is GFSB House, 122 Irish Town. We're starting at 9 o'clock, finishing at 1 o'clock. Now, there will be some pre-course work with regards to attending this course. Jenny Wootley from the GFSB will be sending out, for those interested parties who want to attend this course, Jenny will be sending out the pre-course assignment. Please take the time to complete the assignment and bring whatever work is required of you to the course, so we can actually help you to better succeed in your interviewing process. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on either the 21st or the 22nd of August. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact Jenny Wootley, or you can contact myself. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and I look forward to seeing you on either the 21st or the 22nd. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.